Ciao, it's Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. I'm over here in my office at the test kitchen. I was reading a little bit about the frying situation. Yep, this is me and one part of the Meals for Longevity website. Beside being about what I cook, how I cook is also dedicated to the research and to the science. So where I inspire my recipes, I follow the science work studies in order to put together meals for longevity with the guidelines of the Mediterranean diet pyramid. So today, why I'm here talking to you about this? Because today we did a pork Milanese that's fried in the Mediterranean diet. So a lot of people might wonder, how is it possible that he's doing healthy food and is frying? So it's possible. Mediterranean diet, everything is possible with moderation. So if you don't abuse of fried food, and you can research yourself what the science say, the Mediterranean diet pyramid itself doesn't talk about how many times you can have fried food. You can have it. So do your researches. We all know that fried food makes developing serious sickness, cardiovascular disease, other sickness. I am a chef and not a doctor, but I do know that in Italy there is indication with moderation you can have everything. Moderation in my lifestyle, moderation is once in a while. Once in a while is once a month when you have a guest, particular situations, people coming over. So today we do have a special guest that came over, so I wanted to do something fun. I'm here in the Meals for Longevity kitchen. Lunch is finished. I have a little cleanup to do. And then we can go here. Here, that's what I did. My pork Milanese style that was breaded. Let it stay a few minutes on absorbing paper to remove extra oil. What am I gonna do with this oil? I'm just gonna toss it. And I used peanut oil today. Sometimes I use extra virgin olive oil. I make sure that the oil doesn't smoke. I do have a little chart just to let you know. Yep, I have a little chart over here that tells me about the temperature. That I have to be careful not to go more than that. So as you can see, it's very easy. I organize myself and I follow the guideline. But let's go outside and see how the test went. We can go together. Guests are in the other room. So I'm here in Florida. It's a month of October. It's nice weather, nice temperature. And when we can, we eat outside. Today is very bright, perfect temperature. And let's go and check together where lunch is. So I set up a tray, I serve the judges. So I got some flowers over here. Yep, we got something left. And let's check together. So as you can see, I served a small portion, less than 100 grams, because breading is already making a little bit bigger portion. I serve it with potato salad and broccoli. I served also relish of tomatoes to put on top or on the side. I have a dipping sauce. I have some ciabatta bread. We're gonna talk in other movies and other clips about dipping sauce, how we make it, how we incorporate extra virgin olive oil with your bread. Today the water is nice and calm. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So we're gifted to from the location. It's a place beautiful where I do my researches, my applications. So I just wanted to show you a little bit how the testing was. I think we have a successful testing. I'm gonna go and interview the guests and see what the comments are. We usually test the recipes for meals for longevity for the new modern Mediterranean diet 4, 5, sometimes even 6 times till we get comfortable to adopt them in our DIY meal plan builder for the week. So this is something that will come available on our website. Stay in touch with me. There's a lot of stuff coming up. Subscribe on the YouTube channel. Go on mealsforlongevity.com. Subscribe on the newsletter so I can start sending you some free stuff, most likely around the holiday time. In the meantime, I'll stay focused on my testing. We're almost done. I'll stay strong with the judges' information, comments, so I can finalize and close the recipes and start publishing them to you. Ciao from Chef Giuseppe.